This is Nature Walk number 2.
ReptileZblood as your hosts, Chase and Russell. Okay, right now we're continuing our quest to the park.
Here we have some dude's dog. We don't know why that's nature-y, but it goes with the flow. Let's continue our walk.
Yes, let's...
Seems to be an overgrown grape or something.
Oh, I thought you had found a deer. I mean a snake. Oh, I'm sorry, folks. Didn't mean to say deer. I don't know why I said that.
Better get out of the road.
Yeah, for sure. That's not that nature-y.
Hey, you're on YouTube. Sorry, I had to do that.
You should have hitchhiked. Okay.
Yeah, we'll take the faster, but that's why we're hitchhikers.
Okay. So, the park's coming up in, I'd say, like, probably a couple minutes. It might have to be in Nature Walk number 3, folks. I know it's hard, but hey. It's hard to let go of this video, but hey.
No trespassing sign. But, as you know, we don't follow the rules. So, we are going to trespass. Come on, Russ.
No trespassing.
Here. Whoa. People are really serious. Keep out. Sounds like there's a big thing out here. Squirrel. Squirrel, 9 o'clock. See that, folks?
Might not have saw it. I'm sorry. I'm a bad cameraman, folks. Oh, it's over there, folks. We're going to try to keep it quiet. So don't yell at all.
You know he can't hear you.
Yeah. There a bird went, folks.
Keep an eye out.
Keep an eye out for a squirrel. Oh, folks, did you see that?
Come on, run.
There it went, folks.
He's running for his life. Come on, let's continue.
It went around the garage, folks. We're gonna try to scare him off. I'm sorry, we're gonna try to get him on tape, I mean. It would appear that he's gone away.
Wait, check in there. No.
Sorry, folks, he got away from us.
Well, he hasn't seen the last of us.
We weren't even gonna take him home. Folks, we're running out of battery. This thing might not go on much longer.
Come on, gotta find something.
We gotta find something more nature-y. We're very sorry, folks. Very, very sorry.
We'll make it up to you in number 3.
Yeah, number 3 is gonna be at the park. Jay, it's been 4 minutes and like 5 minutes.
That's the end for ours time.
This is ReptileZblood saying, see you next time.
The end.
Okay. Didn't stop.